Hi everybody, this is Peter the Palm Tree Easter teaching set puppet, built in our very own Creative Productions workshop by myself and the team. So why do you need Peter the Palm Tree? Well, have you ever thought of teaching the Easter story again and again every year? Well, this year you can do it differently from the palm tree's perspective. Now, our Easter teaching set comes with little bags in the top of his head that have different items in that walk you through the story using colours and different objects and props, like a glass for the Last Supper, a crown of thorns, and a load of other props to walk you through Easter week. It even comes with some handouts that you can give to the children at the end of the class or at the end of the service, and even chocolate eggs as well to really make that message pack a punch and take the message home with them. So we've got the different items that come in the different bags. So we've got the glass in the purple bag for the Last Supper. We've got the silver coins representing the 30 silver coins that Jesus was traded for, the nail, the crown of thorns, the piece of linen for the grave clothes, the stone that was rolled away, and the last one, well, the last one was empty because the tomb was empty. We've also got the chocolate that we can then give away to the children, so they can take that home and they can remember the story along with the handouts. The kit also comes with two scripts. One script for a puppet and a person, and another script for a solo person, so you can perform it with a whispering technique, so you can use it on your own.